Boy, it's windy up here, YouTubers. I'm having to put the microphone in my hand to stop it from getting wind noise, and Dave's looking at me gone mad. Look behind his Himalayan, still behind his Himalayan. That's my mate Dave. He's looking at me gone mad. 7 of us out today. We're on John Pawson's subscribers meetup, and this is his Saturday ride out, and we are on top of the North Yorkshire moors, and it's very windy, but it's lovely fresh air. Just move camera away from road because I don't want to see traffic so much. So yeah, there's 7 of us out today. We've got 4 Himalayans. We've got we've got 5 Himalayans. 5 Himalayans. We've got Matthew on his Kawasaki Versys, and we've got Paul on his TRK 502 Benelli. So 7 bikes, 7 riders, and we're having a great time camping at Yeningham in North Yorkshire, and this is our Saturday ride out. So thanks for viewing. A big thanks to John for organising it for us. If you get a chance, have a look at John Pawson's channel, see what he's up to. Take care everyone, and hope you're all well and enjoying your day. Bye from Wazza. Bye.
Yeah, right.